अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आता है और आपको लगता है कि ऑडियो क्वालिटी थोड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए तो प्लीज़ मेरे हस्बैंड से गुजारिश करने के लिए एक कमेंट कर दीजिए कि प्लीज़ अपनी वाइफ को माइक दिला दें।
Hello everyone, this is my day 3 of English speaking practice. Today I have these 15 phrasal verbs related to fall. I have jotted down all the meanings of the phrasal verbs so that I do not lag in this video. So let's begin. The phrasal verb number 1 is fall apart, which means to break into pieces, and the figurative meaning of this is to lose control emotionally. What would be my example? So yesterday I ran full of my favorite cup from the cupboard and it just fell apart and my heart fell apart too. So move on to the second phrasal verb. Fall asleep. Fall asleep means to start sleeping. ये तो obviously I was aware of it. In the afternoon time, whenever I put my kids to the bed, as soon as they fall asleep, I do too. That's it. Do not discuss about it more because let's not waste the time. Okay. So next one is fall behind. Fall behind means to not keep up. To not keep up. Yes. To not keep up means to lag in process. For example, yeah, very natural example is I was making videos on YouTube. I was on track. I was very on track about learning English. Every day I was learning English, and the Diwali came, and some of my very close guests showed up at my home. Because of that, I just fall behind learning English. So the fourth one is fall for. Now fall for is for one for someone and the other one is for something. Let's discuss for someone. Fall for someone means fall in love. Fall in love with someone, right? So I could say just before Diwali, I went for a shopping app and I saw there a baggy color kurta and I just fell for that kurta. Move on to the second one. Fall for. Now this is for something. Fall for something means to be tricked. To be tricked or believe in a lie. Believe a lie. Believe a lie. To be tricked or believe a lie. Like whatever example is coming in my mind is just related to Diwali only. No. Wrong. Wait. So whenever my kids eat food and they are not they do not want to eat food, then what do parents do? Parents start making stories and they just start making their mind and so that they think other way and the spoon goes to the mouth. So my kids also have started sometimes when they do mistake, they start making me. Then I just said my husband that you do not fall for their story. ध्यान भटकाना चाह रहे हैं वो आपका, तो आप उसमें बिलीव ना करो. So the next one is fall out. Means to argue and start being unfriendly. So many examples are coming in my mind, but each and every example is like confidential, that how could I say it is related to that person, it is related to that person, how can I expose, I'm not. So I have a very great example. This is dedicated to my husband, my dear husband. The day I come to Indore, calling me out, husband is calling out to me. As soon as my kids are growing, my husband has stopped falling out over little things. Thank you so much, Sona. Seventh one is fall over. Fall over means to lose balance and collapse. Yesterday it was the evening time and I said Ayan, and Ayan, you just change your dress and put on your full dresses because cool breeze is blowing outside, so you just change your dress. So he just ran and went to the bedroom's bed, and he just uh, fell over from the bed. The next one is fall through. The fall through. Fall through means to fail or not happen. What did I say? Yes, it is a very heartfelt example that whenever I think about it, it makes me fall apart from inside. I have not been participating in Chhat Puja, our traditional puja. As I am a Bihari, that you would be aware of the importance of Chhat Puja in our culture. So I have not been participating in Chhat Puja for 3 hours, 3 years. Why this year it fall through? Ninth one is fall back on. Fall back on means to rely on something when other plan fails. My husband had a mannat that he will give dand. I will search what is the word for that. Dand means, he will do pranam, laying down on the floor onto every step. As our plan fell through, he decided to do it at home only. So he fell back on the plan B to doing it at home only. The 10th one is fall in love, means to begin to love. But the day our marriage was fixed, after 1 month I talked to my husband on phone, and I just fell in love with him. 11th one is fall into. Fall into means to begin doing something or belong to a type. It can be any category, habit, or trap. As I was consuming a lot of junk food, he also fell into my category. He also fell into eating junk foods with me. 12th one is fall short. Fall short of means obviously to not meet expectations. I had to cut the video in between. The reason are they. So there are so many situations when we do not, when we fall short of hopes of our families. Like this time, I was supposed to be there in Khagaria. If I would be in the Khagaria, my mother-in-law would be doing Chhat Puja today. 13th phrasal verb is fall off. It means to decrease or drop. Eat. So this year I am seeing that the tendency of bursting crackers has fall off. 14th one is fall under. Fall under means to be included in a category. I don't know who is watching my video. If you are a housewife, then what category would you like to fall under? 15th one, the last, fall back. Fall back means to move backward. Fall back on was meant to rely on something when other things fail. But if we say only fall back, it literally means falling back. From the day we purchased our new car, I literally when sit on this scooty with these two kids, sometimes I get kind of the fear that I do not fall back, Thank you for watching. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.